Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr, and I have yet to complete my concentration year field placement. But when that comes around, I'm interested in hopefully getting a placement at a counseling facility or a mental health hospital. What prompted me to take this medical social work class is that I'm really interested in medical social work, specifically psychiatric medical social work, and learning more about what those roles entail and what it looks like, and just learning more about how social workers show up in the mental health field within medical social work. What I hope to get away from this class is I hope to learn what other roles within medical social work social workers take on, what those roles look like, and getting an understanding of just what all, medical social work is about besides the mental health piece. I look forward to working with all of you guys. Thank you.